This endowed lectureship is one of the many legacies that the late Michael Gordon left to the simulation community. I think it's very fitting during this 25th anniversary of the IMSH to reflect on this year's theme of looking back and to remember Dr. Gordon. For it was another anniversary conference 10 years ago, during the 15th annual IMSH in New Orleans, that Dr. Gordon received the SSH's highest honor, the Simulation Pioneer Award. Clearly, Dr. Gordon was a believer in the promise of simulation to advance healthcare and patient safety. And as the benefactor of this lectureship, he was living out the other facet of this year's conference theme, reaching forward. He established the Gordon Center Lectureship to serve as a long-term commitment to the future of this society, its members, and its mission. Today, it's an honor for me personally to help introduce this lecture, which features a fellow Air Force veteran and an inspirational speaker who will deliver this year's Michael S. Gordon Center Lecture.
What you are doing here together in this cohort is honorable, it is noble, and it is good. Please don't ever forget that. And you need each other as this cohort to advance simulation, to make the greatest impact for patients and their caregivers. Thank you for what you do.